Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kushal Unai and you are watching Dashing Maniac. In today's video I am going to share the details of my Vietnam trip so that you can plan your trip by just watching this video. In this video I am going to discuss about e-visa, currency exchange, flight tickets, when is the best time to visit Vietnam, budget, cities and places to visit in Vietnam. So let's start with when is the best time to visit Vietnam. If you are planning a trip to Vietnam, then you should plan your trip in the month of March as it is the best time to visit Vietnam. The climate in the month of March is better compared to the other months. Now we'll come to visa. In Vietnam you will not get visa on arrival option, so for that you need to apply for an e-visa. And when you search for e-visa on Google, you will find multiple websites, but don't worry, I am sharing the link of official e-visa in description below. Coming to currency exchange, you may know that the currency of Vietnam is Vietnamese dong and you will get best rates on dollar. So just go to your nearest foreign exchange office and convert rupees into dollar. Now let's see the flight tickets. You will get flight tickets in the range of rupees 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. Basically in 20,000 rupees you will get round tickets of indirect flight, and if you want to book round tickets of direct flight then it will cost you between 23,000 to 30,000 depending on your preference. Book your flight tickets 50 days prior on googleflight.com or Skyscanner, wherever you will get best deal. And don't forget to use incognito mode. Well, this one is my personal suggestion. If you are going for a foreign trip, then do carry a credit card which will provide you lounge access. Because if you have a credit card with lounge access, then here you can enjoy unlimited drinks and food at just 2 rupees. And do remember, while going to Vietnam, you should carry all type of clothes because the weather in Vietnam varies from region to region and the charging plug of Vietnam is different compared to India. So don't forget to carry a universal adapter. Now let's come to the budget. Generally the budget depends on people to people. So here I will give you an estimate budget of 10 days. If you are traveling to Vietnam for 10 days, then you should have rupees 60,000 to 85,000. Like if you are on a shorter budget, then you can end your trip in 60,000, and if you want to enjoy the trip, then you should have 75 to 85,000 rupees. Well, talking about me, I spent 80,000 in my entire trip. Now let's look at cities and places to visit in Vietnam. Here I will divide cities in 3 parts. First is North Vietnam, second one is Central Vietnam, and third is South Vietnam. So we will start with South Vietnam. In South Vietnam there are 3 cities to visit. The 3 cities are Ho Chi Minh, Da Lat and Nha Trang. So if you are in Ho Chi Minh, then you should give minimum 2 to 3 days to explore all the places. The places to visit in Ho Chi Minh are Cu Chi Tunnels Tour, Mekong River Delta Tour, Reunification Palace, Post Office, Notre Dame Cathedral, Ben Thai Market and Walking Street. The best way to travel in Ho Chi Minh is using Gojek bike. Gojek bike is most affordable and cheaper compared to the other transportation. Now after exploring Ho Chi Minh, it's time to go to Da Lat. So here you need to take a bus from Ho Chi Minh to Da Lat, which will take 7 hours, and after reaching Da Lat you can spend your night at Mess Bar where you can have dinner, and next day you can take bike on rent and go to Datanla waterfall where you can enjoy adventure activities. After exploring Datanla waterfall, go to Da Lat lakeside and have some lunch. After having lunch, you can visit Crazy House where you will be mesmerized by the architecture of Crazy House, and you can also book your stay in Crazy House as well. So here you will complete the trip of Da Lat, and one day will be sufficient to explore Da Lat. Now from Da Lat you will need to go to Nha Trang. The last bus from Da Lat to Nha Trang is at 5 PM and it will take 4 hours to reach Nha Trang. When you will reach Nha Trang, book a snorkeling and scuba diving tour which will cost you only rupees 4,000, which is quite cheap compared to the other places. So next day your tour will start at 8 AM and it will end around 2 PM. After completing the snorkeling and scuba diving tour, you can spend your rest of the day at Nha Trang beach, and here you will completely explore South Vietnam, and now it's time to go to Central Vietnam. If you are traveling from one region to another region in Vietnam, then the best way to travel is by flight, because here you will save your time, and the price of flight tickets and train tickets is almost similar in Vietnam. Coming to Central Vietnam, you will be reaching at Da Nang, and here in Central Vietnam there are 3 places to explore. One is Da Nang, next one is Hoi An, and third one is Hue. So you can book your stay in Da Nang and go to Bana Hills Or else there is another option, you can book your stay at Bana Hills and you can spend your one whole day at Bana Hills. The second option will be better because here you will save your time. After exploring Bana Hills, go to Hoi An. Hoi An is one of the best place in Vietnam and you can book your hostel or hotel in Hoi An. If you want to stay in hostel, then I will suggest you to go with Mad Monkey Hostel because it was the amazing hostel of my Vietnam trip. When you are in Hoi An, take a bike on rent and explore basket boat ride, Hoi An Ancient Town, Japanese Bridge, Chinese Assembly Hall and Hoi An Night Market. I will suggest you to go to Hoi An Ancient Town at evening because at evening you can have boat ride and the whole town is decorated by lantern and the view of Hoi An Ancient Town at evening is most amazing view you will ever see in your life. After that you can explore Hue. Hue is famous for the historical places. So if you are interested in history, then you can visit Hue or you can skip it. Now here you will completely explore Central Vietnam and now it's time to go to North Vietnam. When you will take a flight from Da Nang, you will be arriving at Hanoi and in Hanoi you can spend one day. So you can start your day early by visiting Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, Halao Prison, Train Street, Beer Street and do visit the Note Coffee Shop. The Note Coffee Shop is the famous coffee shop in Hanoi. And when you will go there, do try the egg coffee because the egg coffee is one of the best coffee you will ever have in Vietnam. Personally, I also really like the egg coffee. Now after exploring Hanoi, you can go to Halong Bay tour. There are two options in Halong Bay tour. You can go for 1 day or 2 day tour. In this tour, you will be visiting Halong Bay by cruise and there are multiple islands which you will be visiting in this tour and there are caves to explore. And you can also do activities like kayaking. So if you are in Vietnam, the Halong Bay tour is a must thing to do in Vietnam. After completing the Halong Bay tour, there are two more tours from Hanoi. One is Sapa tour and the second one is Ha Giang Loop. The Sapa tour is for 2 days and the Ha Giang Loop is for 3 days. As I heard from my friend, in Ha Giang Loop you can ride motorbike in the mountainous region of the North Vietnam. Both of these tours are adventurous tours. So here I mention all the places to visit in Vietnam and here I will make it easier for you. So if you are planning a 6 to 7 days trip to Vietnam, then you should visit places like Hanoi, Halong Bay tour, Bana Hills, Hoi An and Ho Chi Minh. And if you are visiting for 10 to 12 days, then you can explore whole South and Central Vietnam. And in North Vietnam, you can explore Hanoi and Halong Bay tour. And if you want to explore all the places in Vietnam, then it will take you 16 to 17 days to explore. I hope this video will be helpful for you to plan your trip, and in description I am sharing the link of Excel sheet which you can refer while planning your trip. If you feel this video is informative, then do like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will meet you guys in next series.